You've heard the buzz. Raiz, the revolutionary new investment platform, promising to grow your wealth while aligning with your values. But amidst the excitement, a crucial question lingers: is Raiz truly protected? Look, we get it. Investing can feel daunting. You want to know your hard-earned money is safe and sound. No one wants to lose sleep worrying about market crashes or unexpected fees. So, let's dive deep and uncover the truth. First things first, what kind of protection does Raiz offer? Australian Financial Services Licence, AFSL. Raiz operates under a strict Australian Financial Services Licence. This means they're regulated by ASIC, Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ensuring they adhere to robust industry standards. Investor Compensation Fund, ICF. In the unlikely event of a licensed financial institution failing, the ICF may provide compensation for eligible clients. This adds an extra layer of security for Raiz investors. Cybersecurity measures. Raiz prioritizes the security of your data with advanced encryption and robust security protocols to protect your personal and financial information from cyber threats. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What are the potential risks? Market volatility. Like any investment, Raiz is subject to market fluctuations. Stock prices can go up and down, and there's always the risk of losing money. Investment fees. While Raiz offers competitive fees, they do charge management fees. These fees can impact your overall returns, so it's crucial to understand the fee structure before investing. Currency fluctuations. If you're investing in international markets, currency fluctuations can impact your returns. But here's the good news: Raiz provides valuable resources to help you navigate these risks. Diversification. Raiz encourages diversification by investing in a range of assets, including stocks, bonds, and ETFs. This helps to spread your risk and potentially mitigate losses in any single asset class. Risk profiling. Raiz offers a risk assessment tool to help you determine your investment risk tolerance. This allows you to choose a portfolio that aligns with your comfort level and investment goals. Educational resources. Raiz provides a wealth of educational resources, including articles, videos, and calculators, to help you make informed investment decisions. Ultimately, the level of protection you experience with Raiz depends on several factors, including your investment choices, risk tolerance, and the overall market conditions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.